Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Actually, I'm a fitness coach.
Oh, okay.
I help you weight loss, strength training. So, can I ask you
I
people?
think I have your card somewhere.
Yeah, you. Okay.
I do have
So, do you people work out?
Yeah,
Do you
yeah,
work
yeah,
out?
we do.
Yeah.
So, how many times in a week?
Twice a week.
First time in a week.
Twice
What
a
kinds
week.
of nice?
So he was with us. He was coming to our place
Okay.
twice a week.
Uh-huh.
But then during COVID, he went to Kerala.
Uh-huh.
So we do online. He's like there with us.
Okay. Okay. So, you lift weights
Yeah,
or
we do, of course.
okay. Okay. So, what difference do you see when you lift weights, when you train
Of course, I
yourself?
have muscles now, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, I've gained muscles. I've
Uh-huh.
gained a bit of weight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I feel more energetic. I have my whey protein for ages.
Okay.
Yeah. Either Fun Club or True Basics.
So,
Yeah.
what do you eat throughout the day?
Throughout
Because
the
you
day,
look
lots of
fit.
protein. Throughout the day, lots of protein in every meal.
Uh-huh.
Starting with the whey protein in the morning, then eggs,
Uh-huh.
then some Greek yogurt,
Uh-huh.
and some vegetables to start. Every meal start with the vegetable,
Mm-hmm.
add to the fiber, and then some protein, then
Mm-hmm.
some normal stuff. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
fats.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Do you still find any challenges waking up, working out,
No,
or eating healthy
no,
food?
no,
No challenges.
no challenges.
So, what's your goal for 2026? Do you have
To
any
be
goal?
more fit, of course. As
Okay.
we grow, to gain more muscles.
Okay,
So I
nice,
can show
nice,
more
nice.
muscles. I already have some.
Add more days.
Okay,
Yeah,
yes.
to be more healthier.
Add more days to
Yeah.
work out.
Yeah, never
Okay.
had. It's interesting, very interesting. It's a different way of. This is actually a way of life for us for years. Years means we've grown up like this. Our kids also, when they were small, we used to bring them here to the garden
Right.
for playing, for frisbee, cricket,
Uh,
and this is where we have grown up.
mhm.
Walkers, total walkers. Now we are not able to walk so much in our locality because of road
I
problems and all
understand.
those things.
Mhm.
Otherwise, not like this generation, for everything they need on Blinkit.
Mhm.
They used to walk down and get down
Mhm.
maybe 4 times, 5 times a week, go to the market and
Right.
get stuff. Now it's no more like that. It's here.
Yes,
So I don't
everything
like
is.
it, but still, yeah. I
Mhm.
try to walk
Mhm.
as much as I can, take down stairs,
Mhm.
go to the market. We need to step out.
Mhm.
There's-
So, what would you suggest to those who are in your age and they want to be fit, they want to look attractive, but they don't want to get out of
That's
their
not
bed?
possible. That's not possible at all. You need to
Uh-huh.
get out, get moving.
So,
You need to move.
mhm.
Leave your bed in the morning. My father is 92, going to be.
Mhm.
So he says I leave my bed around 5:30, and by 8 o'clock I don't touch my bed. I don't go to the bed.
Mhm.
That's we are not meant for that actually.
Right.
We're
Mhm.
meant for movement.
Mhm.
You need to fend for food. You mean our ancestors, our forefathers.
Yes.
That's the way it used to be. They do farming.
True.
They
True.
used to look for food,
Mhm.
walk. It's
Mhm.
no more like that. But that's why we go to gyms and stuff like. We don't want to do any housework,
Mhm.
so we hire house help. And then we go
Yeah.
out and do work and spend money there.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but we need to get moving.
So, how can we build a habit of staying fit, working out, eating
Of
healthy
course you
food?
can. Yes. Why not? Why not? There's so much happening. I mean, say, one feed on Insta, you open the algorithm just catches you, and it's all over. Even if leave aside this, everywhere we need to get moving. Anyway, you don't have to do much. You don't have to. We've never entered a gym in our life. I
Uh-huh.
hate gyms.
Oh, okay.
I am not a gym person. I
Uh-huh.
need to be outdoor, up and about.
Mhm.
So this is like we feel a whiff of fresh air coming out. This is like life for us.
Mhm.
We can't be indoors.
Nice.
Even in our apartment, in the
Mhm.
morning, I would just draw I open the curtains, open the doors.
Mhm.
I need to step out in the balcony and see the garden.
Nice.
Indoors, I feel claustrophobic actually.
I understand.
So
Uh-huh.
yeah, that I think it's very simple. Just get out of the bed, get moving, do some housework also.
Mm.
Get moving. It stretches you a bit. Do some housework
Mm.
and walk a bit. You don't have to lift weights.
Mm.
Even if you go for the grocery, if you go and you lift something.
Mm.
So as a rule, I think we need to do things ourselves and not leave it to our drivers and helpers to. You
Yes.
need to
Good.
put on your groceries, hold the
Yes,
grocery.
hold yourself.
खरीदते जाके ड्राइवर को दे देते हैं. Don't do that to the helpers.
Mhm.
Grocery लेके ऊपर आइए. We used to have six packets, and when the kids were small, climb stairs, go to the first floor, or move.
Move.
That's what kids don't do these days. But I'm sure they're doing. But I'm very surprised and very happy
Mhm.
to see outdoors all these kids. It was never like this. I've been here all my life.
Okay.
It was not like this. This
Uh-huh.
Gen Z's out there
Gen
in the
Zs.
morning. So now
Yeah.
it's more morning season, morning
Mhm.
coffee, tea instead of the night party.
Yeah.
You see, I know
True.
so many Gen Zs
Mhm.
who sleep by 9 o'clock. We
Good.
have a very let's
Mhm.
go with the circadian rhythm,
Mhm.
sleep at 9, get up at 4 and stuff like that. It's very much awareness is there.
Good.
Awareness is very much
not
there.
only here in
Mhm.
Delhi,
Mhm.
other cities also.
Other
Other
places
cities
also.
also.
People are fitness freaks these days. If
Youngsters
you
are
see out,
especially.
but this is a different life altogether. It's just look at
Yes,
people
yes, yes.
walking,
Yeah, they
cycling,
are running.
running. It was not
Mhm.
like that. Maybe
5 years
uh,
before pandemic.
before pandemic, 6 years down the lane.
Yeah.
Different game altogether. I think
Yeah.
it's very interesting. I love to see
Social
doing all
media
the
Mhm.
has brought in a lot
yeah,
of
lots
awareness
of these
about
weight
Mhm.
nutrition,
nutrition.
about
Yeah.
exercise.
Yeah,
Mhm.
lots of protein powders and things happening. People looking for cleaner things,
Yes.
cleaner eating.
Yes.
Even if we go out, we try to eat at home and come back. We do eat, I mean, say,
Mm-hmm.
obviously, once or twice a week.
Mhm.
But otherwise, even if we go somewhere, we like to come back and eat food at home.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's more because it's not a choice. That's what we love to do. More cleaner food. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
everybody should do
Lovely
that.
to talking
Thank
with
you
you,
so
man.
much.
Okay. God bless
Nice
you.
talking
Stay
to you.
strong.
Take care.
Okay. By the way, it's my card. If you're
Yeah, sure.
planning to,
Yeah, I'll give it to somebody.
okay.
We do
Okay.